So, solo ads, right? You're going to say, wait a second, Randy, we already know, you tell us all the time, solo ads are one of the best ways to drive traffic to your sign up link so that you can grow your business very quickly. We know all that. What we want to know is, where do you buy your solo ads at and how do you do it? So that's what we're going to do in today's videos. I'm going to take you to one of my favorite solo ad providers, Udimi. I'm going to show you the marketplace and I'm going to show you exactly how I buy a solo ad on Udimi right now. Hi, Randy here from Marky Coast. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we share with you all the super secret tactics that we use to live the .com lifestyle. Sharon and I like to share everything we've learned about network and online marketing, from the high level motivation and coaching right down to the nitty gritty daily tasks that we do so that our growing team can succeed and produce multiple streams of income. So if you like what you see here, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed when we upload new content. And as always, we're going to provide links to whatever we're talking about in this video in the description box below. So be sure to check that out and learn more about how to connect with us. Let's get started.
Let's jump right in. Like I said, Udimi is one of my favorite places to buy solo ads from. And we're going to walk you through a little bit about why I like Udimi, and I'm going to show you how I do it. And we're actually going to buy a solo ad while we're logged in here. So let's jump right in. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And you'll be able to see what the inside looks like. If you're not already a member and you're interested, there is a link in the description of this video. Just go down there, and if you sign up, they do have a referral program. So yes, I will earn a commission if you sign up and purchase solo ads through Udimi, but if you sign up through my link, you get a $5 discount on your first purchase. Okay, so this is the home screen, and it's got your profile at the top and kind of shows you a little bit of history about when you bought solo ads with some stats. And now if you scroll down further down, you'll see a bunch of the sellers. Now, Udimi is basically a marketplace where you can go purchase solo ads from hundreds and hundreds of different solo ad sellers. What's cool about it, the reason why I like it and the reason why I use it more than anything else, is just because you can read reviews on the sellers. So whenever you purchase a solo ad, you are able to give them a review about how it went for you, and you can see which ones perform better than others. And there's a wide variety of pricing and what kind of list they have, and you just have a big choice, and that's what I like most about it. And it's based on feedback, not just from the buyers but also the sellers. So what I like to do is I usually go to the solo deals first. Right along the top, you can, if you start at find sellers, you can enter parameters about what you're looking for, price range, how many clicks you're looking to purchase, how quickly you'd like it delivered. You can sort them by the ratings, and you can search for sellers that way. What I usually do is I start out here where it says solo deals, and I go in there, and these are people who are basically offering discounts at the current time. So they might normally sell their clicks for, say, 50 cents a click, and now they're discounting it down to 40 cents a click for a limited time. So basically these are on sale, and that's usually where I start looking for, because hey, we all like to save money, right? Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you, hey, don't ever buy a solo ad unless it's at least 50 cents a click. I've heard that a lot. People say, oh, I don't spend less than 50 cents a click because it's just bad. Well, when you're using Udimi, what's cool about it is I can look at people and purchase solo ads for as low as 35 cents a click and get quality results because I can read their reviews. Maybe this person normally sells their solo ads for 40 or 50 cents a click. I don't know, but I can look through here and look at a particular seller. I can read reviews of what other people thought of them and what kind of results they got. And I can determine whether or not I want to spend my money. So I'm able to save money. I'm able to spend less money per click than just say, oh, I'm not going to spend less than 50 cents a click because I know it's crap. That's not true. I've had good results with most of the people on here because when you have customer feedback, if somebody's selling solo ads on Udimi and they're crappy results, they won't last very long and people will quit buying from them and they won't even be on the platform anymore. So I've actually bought from that person before. So let's just go and look and we'll walk you through actually purchasing a solo ad. I'm just going to kind of scroll through here and look for, here's one I've actually purchased from this person before. He gives good information. Here's some feedback from other customers that have bought from him. And I like the fact that, hey, on this particular solo ad run, I want tier 1 traffic, which means from countries that are going to be able to purchase my product. And what we're going to do is we're going to buy a solo ad and we're going to advertise Now Lifestyle with this purchase. So what you do is you scroll down, you see this box here, and it's going to give you a choice of how many clicks do you want to purchase. And you can, for this particular person, you can go all the way up to 1,000 visitors. Some providers don't offer that much at a time. For today, we're just going to buy a 200 click solo ad, and that's still pretty cheap because we're only paying 35 cents a click. So, and then I'm going to select the link that I want to go to. I want the traffic to go to. So we're going to go ahead and stick with this one. This is my main funnel that I created. And if you happen to join me in Now Lifestyle, I'll give you this whole funnel. So that's cool, huh? Bonus. Now you can select I have ad text. If you want to write your own solo ad or use a swipe from somebody that you're copying and pasting, you can do that. Normally when I buy solo ads, I just give them the link. I let them provide the ad text however they want to deliver the clicks. I think it works better for me and it saves a lot of time. But you can do either way. And in another video later on, I'll show you more in-depth about how to set up your links, how to create your own ad text and save it within the system so that you can just access it very quickly like I'm doing right now. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to buy a 200 click ad run, and we're going to, the earliest available for this person is 3 December, which is tomorrow. That's fine with me, and they can deliver earlier if they want. We're going to just click add to cart. And then we're going to go ahead and pay for that. Now you can use credit card or PayPal, however you want. We're just going to go ahead and pay for this. Okay, and after you're done paying, it goes to the thank you screen. It says done, thank you. The seller will review your order and accept it soon. And then you just click here, you go to My Solos, or you can click up in the left-hand corner and it'll take you there. And there he is. That's going to just wait for their acceptance. What's going to happen is now this seller is going to see that order. They're going to go take a look at it and see if they can deliver the clicks that we just purchased, which they should be able to, and then they'll send you a little message. And once the traffic starts, you're going to be able to see it actually get delivered. And there'll be trackers that you can check and all kinds of stuff to follow along. And then when you're done, you just give them a review. So that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, if you want to take a look at Udimi and check it out, just go down in the description below this video and click the link and go ahead and join, and then let us know if you have any questions.